Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how we can make our video blurry on Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to make this video blurry. So the first thing we're gonna do is click on this effect button right here on the bottom of our screen, then choose video effect. Then we have to search for blur effect by searching or typing on the search button. Then we can also search for the blur effect by clicking on the lens option right here. Then this is the blur effect that we can use. Just tap on it. Alright, and we can customize how blurry our video is. We can click on adjust button right here. And to make it less blur, we can go left like this, and we can go right to make our video super blur. And I'm just going to make it less blur. Then we can click on this check mark button. After that, we can adjust the length to make the effect align with our video. And let's see the result, guys. Let's play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can make our video blurry in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.